For as low as 19,000 per month or 300 pesos per square meter, pwede ka na makalis ng office here inside the business district in General Trias, Cavite. Introducing One Corporate Place, Megaworld's newly turned over project that offers office for lease and for sale. So if you're a business owner looking to expand your office or planning to start, this is a perfect place you might want to check. Modern office na yung design ng office kaya naka-RFID na rin yung lobby natin pagpasok sa elevator. So right now, nandito ako ngayon sa 12th floor and I'm going to show you one of the available units here in One Corporate Place. Tara! All units here in One Corporate Place will be delivered semi-bare shell. May kasama na siyang aircon, meron na rin fire sprinkler, and smoke detector. Kayo na rin yung bahala with the design or interior depending on your preference or your type of industry. Unit here starts at 60 square meters and the biggest can reach up to 200 square meters. Pwede din mag-combine yung units if you prefer to have a bigger space of unit. Allowed dito yung mga travel agencies, training centers, sales office, logistics office, accounting firm, church, and many more. Hindi lang pwede yung mga surgical clinics, casinos, or any food industry preparation. So if you're interested to know more about this office, whether for lease or for sale, you may contact me on my number below. This is Carlo Navarez, your property consultant from Megaworld Corporation.